So it's the holiday season, and here's one thing I know for sure. You will have some holiday parties to go to, and you might want to spruce up your makeup look a little bit more than you do every single day. So I want to show you how you can use the new Mary Kay Highlight Contour Set. It comes like this in a cute little gift box, and how you can highlight and contour simply using just these two products. It will help elevate your look by giving you a more chiseled, slimmer look in your face and help you look glowy in the areas that you want to enhance. So I have my highlight contour palette here. I have two darker shades and then two lighter shades. I'm gonna be working with the Glaze and Latte. These shades are also great if you want even a more detailed look or if you have darker skin. I do use these on myself sometimes if I really wanna be really structured looking. So I'm gonna take the contour sponge, a tiny little sponge, and I'm gonna draw a line right under my jawline with the sponge so you can see how easy it is to use. I'm just gonna do a line right there. I'm gonna also do a line right here along my jawline. I do a line down my nose and through my hairline. I'm going to tap a little bit of the powder along my hairline. And now I'm going to blend. You can already see what it's doing versus the side of my face. So I'm just gonna take the same sponge and blend it out, make sure I don't see any lines. And I already have makeup on, so this is just a great way to show you how easy it is to use. You can certainly do this on top of makeup you already have on, or you can do it from the beginning if you start off in the morning wanting to do a highlight and contour option for your makeup. Now I'm blended. So now I'm going to show you how to use the highlight powder. So the highlight powder has this cute little highlight brush. I like it because it's angled. I'm going to use Glaze. I'm going to apply it right here through my jawline. You can see when I turn my head, it gives me a beautiful glow. And I love this brush because it lays it perfectly where I want to apply it. You can also apply a little bit right above your brows, right through here. And if you like having it down the center of your nose, you can do down the center of your nose. I always stop before I get to the tip of my nose because I don't like my nose looking larger. In fact, I often take some of the contour powder and shorten my nose by putting a little bit of darker powder at the end. Now I'm going to take the highlight powder and go right above my lips. And now I'm highlighted and contoured. What do you think? Super simple to use, and I love this cute little set. So when it comes to highlighting and contouring, having some specific tools in your possession makes it a lot easier. These are really great because they are specifically for your contour and highlight powder. You can also use it with cream if you want to contour with your concealer or foundations. If that's the case, you will use the sponge wet. I used it dry because I was using my highlight contour palette, and I'm ready to go. If I can help you customize a highlight contour look for yourself or teach you how to do it, please send me a direct message. We can set up a time virtually or in person.